In this video, I'm going to show you how you can solve the error that you get on the YouTube app if you want to change your account. As you can see, here I am on my YouTube app, and when I go to my profile picture and I want to change the account, you can see here an error occurred, and when I tap to retry, nothing happens. So how do you fix this problem? So this is actually quite easy to fix. As you can see, in the app we can't do anything, it just doesn't work. What we need to do, we need to leave the app, we need to hold YouTube, go through the eye icon and then scroll down and select clear data. Down there, hit clear data. Now we want to hit clear all data, and when we go back, you can hit OK. And now when we go back to the app, just like that, you can see all the accounts appear, and now we can change the account to any account we want. So yeah, this is basically the easiest way how you can fix this problem. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time. Have a good day.